Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to sell on Instagram. So let's begin the video. Instagram is a great platform for businesses of all sizes to reach new customers and boost their sales. In this video I will walk you through the steps on how to create a store or Instagram shop or create shoppable posts and use your Instagram ads to boost your sales. So let's start. First step is set up an Instagram shop. To set up an Instagram shop, you will need to have a business profile. If you don't have a business profile, you can switch to one by going to your profile and tapping the edit profile button. Here you have to tap on the switch to business profile option and then you have to follow the instructions. For the second step, you have to create shoppable posts. Once you have an Instagram shop, now you can create shoppable posts. To do this, you have to take pictures or videos of your products and then tap the tag products button. After that, you have to select the product that you want to tag in your post. When you tag a product in your post, Instagram will create a link to your product page. When people tap on the link, they will be taken to your product page where they can shop it. Third and the last important step is use Instagram ads to boost your sales. Instagram ads are a great way to boost your sales. You can target the people who are interested in your product. You can also use Instagram ads to promote your Instagram shop. These are the just few tips on how to sell on Instagram. By following these steps, you can start selling on Instagram and reach new audience. So this is how you can sell on Instagram. Thanks for watching.